So here's the big wasp nest that I got downtown, and I thought that we could take these and try to get out some of the juvenile wasps still in here. But I know that there's like a leg sticking out here. Or maybe it's an antenna. I think it's a leg though. I may have pulled its leg off. Okay, we're gonna take this white piece off. Like that. Then we're gonna try and... Oh, that is so not right. His head came off. His head came off.
His head came off.
No. I dropped it. It's down there somewhere. It's down there. Ew. Oh. Whoa.
Ew.
Whoa.
That's creepy.
That is creepy. Yeah. Oh. 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 Alright, so here's the wasp nest that we did take down. We're gonna see if we can get some of the larvae out. Okay, let's like open up one of these. Oh. Maybe you should have waited for it to dry. Oh! Oh! Oh man, that is not right!
Can you put it back into one of them?
Get in there. There you go. There it is. This one's like hard. Is this one like the same? Okay, so we're gonna need like one of the squishy covered ones. Like this one. Oh!
Was that one like starting to develop?
It kind of looks like it. Imagine if we found one moving.
Oh.
Oh, that one's a thick one. Oh. That's so cool. I've never seen wasp larvae before.
A lot of people will take those down and give them to their animals to eat.
Really? Wasp nests?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know that.
Mm-hmm. They like the larva. Or they'll give it to, like, their chickens, too. Because they like to eat the larvae out of them. But that was not right.
I like unboxing them. Oh, that one's got a thick head.
What? Oh!
Oh! Oh! Oh, what is that one? In the back it goes. Alright, so here's all the ones that we found. That is crazy. Oh, they're so squishy. Oh, that is so weird. That is awesome, though.